why can't you recruit setters and do it yourself in-house? Truth is, you can. It just sucks. It's a terrible problem to solve. It's brutally painful. And the reason that's the case is because it's a high turnover problem, right? So you're constantly recruiting, you're constantly training, and setting in general is something that involves much more management. Like closers, if you're dealing with closers, they're oftentimes more self-reliant. It's oftentimes easier to manage closers. But when it comes to setters, it's much more difficult to maintain and retain your team. And also, you're going to need a lot more recruiting, a lot more interviewing, a lot more onboarding firepower. And that's ultimately what we found is most businesses that we have worked with that tried to do it in-house, they dramatically underestimated the amount of effort and the amount of management and the amount of oversight that it takes to run a high quality set team. And as a result, they just don't end up getting to where they want to be. So what we've found is it's been a lot easier when we come in as a partner and we can take all of that off their plate. We can run the systems end to end. And then you guys are just having more appointments booked in every single day. And then your closers are able to have those quality conversations and turn them into paying customers every single day. I hope this video has helped answer at least one of your questions about bringing on setters. If you have more questions about bringing on setters, just find down below in the description, there's a link to a playlist here on YouTube. You'll also be able to find it as one of these end cards. Or if you want to check out some case studies that we got, go ahead. There's going to be another link in the description. It's going to be coachingsales.com/setters, and that will take you over to a case study and you can learn more there as well.